Seems like a good charger. Does not pulse charge but follows smart charge profiles. Maker does not feel pulse charging to be useful. It looks like the procedure to set up control and read out via Bluetooth will take more research and work, as that process is not discussed in the booklet. Hardware, cable and connector seems to be high quality. Everything Victron makes is great quality. Using the 12V/15A version with a Li-ion monitor reads exactly 15A, minus current usage. Works great. I had to create my own profile as the lithium settings didn't have a high enough charging voltage for my Leaf EPO4 Battleborn battery. If purchasing for a 100 amp hour Leaf EPO4, you should purchase 30 amp model. I attached several chargers and the battery was able to take in over 21 amps. We are converting our van and setting up a separate power system and leaving the van system for running it. No connection or overlap at all between the two. This works great right now to keep the battery-borne lithium battery charged while we install the solar panels. And it will be a backup if we can't get enough out of the panels. I have the adapter permanently attached to the battery, but most of the time the charger will be in the box I made for the battery and other electronics. I'm a big fan of these chargers. Coupled with the right size load on a right-sized Victron inverter, and the right battery capacity, you can pretty much make your own long-life UPS. For example, the 7 or 10 amp version, coupled to a 50 or 100 amp hour Leaf EPO4 8V battery driving a 40-liter Dometic fridge/freezer, 55-85 watts, intermittent. Through a 250 or 375 watt pure sine wave inverter leaves the fridge running on a full battery when the power fails. For you folks looking for something to do with the 110 volt outlet in the back of your Honda Odyssey. Ice cream bars. Though the lithium-ion mode setting is not perfect for Battleborn batteries, which prefer 4 to 14. 6 volts for absorption, the 13. 5 volt lithium-ion float/storage voltage is right on spec. So once in a while, give your Leaf EPO4 battery a complete normal 4 volts full charge, but switch it back to lithium-ion mode before the normal charge cycles into its 2 volt storage mode. Here are some notes I've pulled from the manual, easy to find on the Victron site. Mode, absorb voltage, float V, storage V, recondition, max V at percent of an amp, normal abs equals 14. 4 volts, float equals 13. 8 volts, storage equals 13. 2 volts, rec equals 16. 2 at 8%, max 1 hour high abs equals 14. 7 volts, float equals 13. 8 volts, storage equals 13. 2 volts, rec equals 16. 5 at 8%, max 1 hour Li-ion abs equals 14. 2 volts, float equals 13. 5 volts, storage equals 13. 5 volts, rec equals N. A. Lithium-ion, Leaf EPO4, better. Select Li-ion with the mode button. Normal, 14. 4 volts, recommended for flooded flat plate lead antimony batteries, starter batteries, flat plate gel and AGM batteries. High, 14. 7 volts, recommended for flooded lead calcium batteries, Optimus spiral cell batteries and Odyssey batteries. Storage mode keeps the battery at reduced constant voltage to limit gassing and corrosion of the positive plates. Click link in description for more reviews.